Hello and thanks for watching my How Do I video, where all my videos are very short and very specific. This data here comes from some earlier videos. We started with a completely badly formatted piece of information and we fixed it and we've gone through all this. And the last video we figured out the average if these are 6th grade boys, and we use this formula up here that says average ifs, and then it tells us how to do it. So if you want to figure out how to do that, check out the last video that I made. Now, we also added a round formula to the front of this. Instead of doing a rounding afterwards like we did in some earlier videos, we added the round to the front of the average ifs formula, and then we put the 2 of the round at the end because we wanted 2 decimal places. So if you want to figure out how to use the rounding formula, that's a few prior videos also. Today we're going to focus on just finding the maximum and the minimum if they are boys or if they are girls. So we'll do that and get some better data. Now, max and minimum are very similar to the average ifs. So we're going to do them basically the same way. We'll do the girls this time so we don't leave them out. So we'll click here. So we're going to find the maximum if they are girls. So we'll type in equals and then max ifs. And the first thing you're always going to do when you do these is the numbers, what you're finding the max up. So we're going to click on all of E. Remember, doesn't matter if this is a text value, it's just looking for numbers. Then I'm going to do a comma. And then I'm going to click on D because this is where my gender is. And I'm going to hit a comma, and then because I'm looking for a text value, I have to do it in quotes. So quote, F quote, and then a parentheses, and that will be my maximum if this, for a maximum for a girl. We'll go ahead and figure out the maximum for a boy real quick. Equals max ifs, and then we're going to figure out that, comma, and then the right in here, and then M, and then 98. They did just as well. And because we already covered this in a prior video, we're going to do this formula here as well. This is the same. It's max ifs equals max ifs. And then I'm going to select all of the data and a comma. I'm going to select the first parameter, which is are they boys, comma, and then I'm going to put M in quotes, comma. And the second parameter is the grade. So I select all of C, then a comma, and then I'm going to do a quote, 6th quote, and then another parentheses, and there we go. So it looks like 6th grade boys are the smartest because they have the highest score. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos for other solutions, and if you have any suggestions, any questions, please let me know. Thanks so much.